No! We made it. I'm not sure if it's me or does the mirror world feel a little different than normal. I think because when we went through the fridge and stuff, we're probably like in a different mirror world, like it's different completely. And guys, this is the mirror we're probably gonna exit. I'm gonna exit from. Billy Bob. Okay. Ooh. And guys, if you didn't know, the couch is also different. It feels the same, but it's guys, the turtle's actually gonna be reversed too. You may can't tell it because I never showed you. Ooh, I'm gonna stick the camera. Let me get that. As you see in there's a green light, and then if you press a different button, it will change color. See the light changes, and that blue is like blinding. Woo! Woo! My eyes! But yeah, guys. Guys, remember it's 3 a.m. and we went through the fridge and guys, yeah. What was that? Did I hear something at the door? Mama, that's just me playing, okay? I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna go check and see what was at the door. Okay, I'm actually gonna go check and see what that was. We will be ordering this late. It's 3 a.m. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Oh, wrong light. There we go. I swear I thought I heard something out here. I swear I thought I heard something out here. I swore I thought. I just heard a weird noise. That was so creepy. I just heard another weird noise. It's like a whistle. I'm too scared to go out there, guys. I'm too scared to go out there. I'm not sure what that was. I don't know what the heck that was, but it sounds like a whistle. Guys, let me tell you something. Do not go to the mirror world through the fridge or at all at this time of the day. You know, it is late. It is like late. It is late. Just to let you know, it's late, guys. 3 a.m. in the morning. Don't go through the refrigerator at 3 a.m. I swear, guys. I'm not sure if you caught that, but I'm not sure if the iPad has caught that, but when I shut the door, I'm not kidding, I actually really did hear a noise. It was like a boop. I don't know what the heck that was. If there was something outside or like our neighbors. But yeah, that wasn't me. That was actually something. I don't know what it was. I'm not sure if that got caught. But yeah. As you can see in the last video, I actually got a new haircut. Thanks to my barber cutter, Miss Kathy. If you're watching this, then thank you. But anyway, she probably won't because I never told her. But bye.